Cosmetics and personal hygiene. Cosmetics and personal hygiene. Ihe anyị ji achọ mma edebe arụ anyị ọcha. Ihe anyị ji achọ mma edebe arụ anyị ọcha. Cosmetics and personal hygiene. What are these in Igbo language? Cosmetics bụ ihe eji achọ mma. Ihe eji achọ mma. Cosmetics bụ ihe eji achọ mma. Okay, the first we are going to talk about here is powder. Powder. In Igbo language, it's called powder. Powder. Powder in English. In Igbo, powder. Powder in English. In Igbo, powder. I hope you're catching it. Yes. The next is your cream. Cream. Ude. Cream. Ude. Cream. Ude. Achọrọ m ite ude. Achọrọ m ite ude. If you want to make sentence with this in Igbo. Okay? Remember your Igbo teacher is here. Do not forget to ask me question in the comment section and I will answer you correctly. I love you and I love Igbo language. Onye nkuzi Igbo abịakwala ọzọ. You are welcome. No. You are welcome. No. All right, let's continue. Then the next is your soap. Soap. Ncha. Soap. Ncha. Nye m ncha ka m wee saa arụ. Nye m ncha ka m wee saa arụ. Soap. Ncha. Soap. Ncha. Okay? All right. Then sponge. Ogbo. Sponge. Ogbo. Okay? All right. Then eye pencil. Eye pencil. Uri anya. Eye pencil. Uri anya. Then face cream. Face cream. Ude iru. Ude iru. That's your face cream. Ude iru. Give me my face cream. Okay? All right. The next we are going to talk about is your comb. Comb. Mbo. Comb. Mbo. Comb. Mbo. Then your earrings is part of the things you use to make yourself look good. It's part of the cosmetics. All right. Earring. Olante. Earring. Olante. Okay? There are so many other things we use as cosmetics. Please make mention of them. Let's give you their names in Igbo. Make mention of the cosmetics and those things that used to, take care of your personal hygiene, and I will give you their names in Igbo language. Okay? All right. Then you can talk about perfume. Perfume. Nsibu. Perfume. Nsibu. That's it. So, like I used to say, Igbo na-asụ n'onu n'onu. We have different tongues in Igbo language. Means Igbo na-asụ n'onu n'onu. And I've always told you that our language is our culture and our language is our heritage. Please learn Igbo language and you won't regret it. Remember, I am your Igbo teacher, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. Do not forget to ask me any question and I'll answer you. Bye.